Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect cPanel to FileZilla. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cPanel.net if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your account. So what you want to do is go ahead and register for a new account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can get started setting up cPanel on your computer. So once you have set up cPanel and open it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your dashboard with all the settings that you can access, such as email, files, databases, and so on, everything you need for accessing your website and managing it. And now what we're going to do is go and follow this article right here, showing us how to set up FileZilla for cPanel. Basically guys, first things first, in your cPanel you're going to go ahead and create an FTP account. If you do not know how to create an FTP account, you can open up this tutorial right here. Basically guys, here in your email settings you can get started creating your FTP account. So as you can see, all the info that you're going to be able to find is right here in your dashboard. So once you have gotten your account, we can get started. Basically you have the two options. You can either configure FileZilla manually or automatically selecting multiple options right here. By installing FileZilla on your PC, you can open it up and then input all your domain names and everything you need with your program right here. So once you input all your info such as your cPanel log information, username, password, and so on, you can get started. But guys, the second option is go ahead and input it automatically. So as you can see guys, in the file section right here, so we have our files, you'll be able to go ahead and access your FTP accounts as you can see right here. So by accessing your FTP accounts, you'll be able to automatically configure it following the steps right here and add it to FileZilla. So under FTP accounts, you want to click configure, and after that you can click the blue FTP configuration file button, and then you can run that button. So by running that button in FileZilla, it's automatically going to configure it. So if you need any more help, you can just follow the articles right here for any step info, but that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.